Hi, today's lesson is exercise 1F, and it's called the simple interest formula. Simple because it's the way the banks or you could calculate the interest charged or earned. The formula is very simply PRT over 100. You can understand why it's over 100 because we're talking percentages. P for principal, R for the interest rate as a percentage, and T for time. So you'll be shown how to go about it. So remember, go to lesson 6, watch the 2 videos, and then do exercise 1F. And some of you might have my financial program on your calculator. Why don't you investigate and see if you can work your way around? I'm sure there's one page called the simple interest. I might set that up as a separate video for those who do have that program. So look for a video just below this one here. Cheers.